Hi there, students. Hot to trot. Hot to trot. Okay, this is a phrase or an idiom. It rolls nicely off the tongue. Let's see. Most of the dictionaries say that this is eager to have sex with someone, and yeah, it's true, it can mean that as well, but I would use this much more generally. So are you ready? Are you waiting? Are you ready to do something? So I've got a buyer who's hot to trot. All I need to do is to get him to sign the contract. Yeah, so it's to be eager to do something, eager to begin, eager to get going, eager to start. Yes, it can refer to sex as well. If you're champing at the bit, you are hot to trot. Yeah, you really want to do something. Okay, so he's hot to he's hot to trot. He's impatient to start this project. Come on, let's get going. The kids are hot to trot. They are ready, willing, and eager to start. Yeah, let them start because they're hot to trot. Yeah, and then the other meaning as well. I met this fabulous girl last night, and very soon it became clear she was hot to trot. Lucky me. Yeah, but if you're hot to trot, you're eager to do something. Yeah, so the the politicians are hot to trot about this matter because it's going to get them votes. They're ready, able, and willing. Yeah, they really want to do it. Yeah, they are impatient. They're enthusiastic to start. Yeah, I'm not quite ready yet, but I will be hot to trot in about an hour. Okay, yeah, so it's talking about being ready to do something. Let's see, the word trot, to trot, is a horse trots. It's quite a fast pace. Yeah, so you're ready to do something at quite a fast pace. It means that you really do want to do it. You're excited about the idea. You're raring to go. Yeah, he's raring to go. He's hot to trot. They really want to do it. They want to be involved in this. Let's see. I'm trying to find people who are hot to trot and join our organisation or to join our demonstration. Okay, so it's saying that somebody really wants to do something. They are hot to trot. I like the phrase. It rolls very nicely off the tongue. So be careful because this is fairly informal. I think I'd probably give it 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. In a semi-formal conversation, yes. I think in a semi-formal writing, maybe just, but it's on the informal side. Okay, so if somebody's hot to trot, they really want to do something. They are eager to get going. They're champing at the bit. They're raring to do it. They're really keen on the idea. But notice, very often this is used about sex. So it's got the raring to go bit, champing at the bit, and then you can add to have sex with that or not. Okay, the origin, I don't know. I think this is just one of these phrases that comes together because it rhymes so nicely. Would I call it a rhyming pair? I think I probably would call it a rhyming pair. So I hope after viewing this video you're hot to trot to watch more of my videos. Yeah. Now I've got my visa to visit India. I'm hot to trot. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to do it. Yeah, he's hot to trot. He's raring to do it. He really wants to do it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hot to trot.